So, today we are going to do our vocabulary lesson. We are using the book A Day in the Life of a Garbage Collector since that's what we read last week. You're going to learn 2 words today and 2 new words on Wednesday, and then that will be your 4 for the week. So let's start. So this book was about Rick the garbage collector, and we followed him throughout his day of what he does when he goes out on the garbage trucks and collects trash and takes it to the dumps and things like that and the recycle factories and all that. So we are going to start with this, the table of contents. Your first word today is contents. So contents, when we're looking at it for this, means words, pictures, and other information in a book. Okay? So that's what contents means that way, is the words and pictures and information. So we're getting lots of contents in this book. We're seeing that Rick has a time card to start his day. That's contents. We're seeing the information of when he's doing inspections and making sure everything is okay. We see the contents that tells us what he wears. Okay, and then it keeps going, and we see the contents tells us what the lift is and what they use it for and the different parts of the truck. So one meaning of contents is the words, pictures, and information that we find in books, but contents has 2 meanings. The other meaning of contents is things that are found inside of something, such as inside a drawer or inside a box or inside a bag. Those things inside something are also contents. So, for example, the things on my desk, the contents on my desk is my computer, my notebook that tells you what you're going to do, my cup. I always have that on my desk. I know you guys remember that from school. I've got my tape. That's contents that's on my desk. Okay? The contents that you guys had in your desk at school was your notebooks and your pencil boxes. Probably the same things you have right now in your work area where you're working. That is your contents, the things that are in those book boxes, the things that are in your desk, the things that are in your toy box. That is contents. Okay? And your activity for vocabulary today is going to deal with that word contents. And so I'll get to that in a minute. So contents has 2 meanings. It's the information, the pictures, the words that we find in books, but then it's also the things that you would find inside something, like inside a desk or inside a box, okay? Your second word today comes from right here. It says, what do garbage collectors drive? Garbage collectors drive trucks. The garbage truck has a large bin to hold trash. Rick checks the truck for problems each morning. This morning, he fills the tires with air. And then the fun fact says, some garbage trucks have 2 sets of controls. Garbage collectors can drive from the right or left side of the truck. Okay? The middle of the paragraph says, Rick checks the truck for problems each morning. So your second word is what it means to check something, to look carefully at something. That word is inspect. Inspect means to look carefully at something. Okay? So in this picture, the boy is inspecting his clothes. He's making sure his clothes look good, okay? So when you are inspecting your nails, maybe you're looking to see if you have dirt on them, if you need to clip them, okay? That would be inspecting them, looking at them closely, okay? When you're reading directions on a box because you're going to cook some macaroni with mom or grandma, you inspect the directions. You look carefully at the directions, okay? So that's what inspect means. Inspect means to look carefully at something. Your assignment for today comes from the word contents. And the way you're going to be using it is some things that are found inside of something. So what I want you to write is, what might the contents be of a lunchbox? So what would you find inside a lunchbox? What would the contents be inside a lunchbox? What contents would you want inside your lunchbox? Okay, so those are your 2 words today: contents and inspect. Backwards. Contents and inspect. Your writing assignment. What are the contents you would want inside your lunchbox? All right, I'll see you later. We have Zoom meeting at 11. We're going to be learning a new math concept. So I'll see you then. All right, love you. Bye.